In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trello API in n8n. By the end, you'll have a Trello node connected with secure credentials, ready to automate boards, cards, and lists directly in your workflows. Start by opening n8n in your browser and creating a new workflow so you're working on a clean canvas. On the empty canvas, click Add First Step. This opens the node selector, which is the searchable list of integrations you can add. In the search bar, type Trello and select the Trello integration. n8n will place the Trello node on your canvas and show its configuration panel on the right side. In the node configuration, choose Actions. Actions is a flexible starting point that covers common Trello operations like creating cards, updating lists, or moving items between columns. You can adjust this later, but picking Actions now helps establish a clear baseline for the connection. Next, connect your Trello account. Find the field labeled Credential to connect with. Click the drop-down beside it. If this is your first time connecting Trello, the list will be empty, so choose Create New Credential. A dialog will appear asking for two pieces of information, your Trello API key and your API token. Have your key and token ready before you continue. You can generate them from your Trello developer settings. Treat these like secrets. Do not share them in screenshots, screen recordings, or with anyone you don't trust. Paste your API key into the key field, then paste your API token into the token field. Take a moment to double check what you've pasted. Make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces and that you didn't accidentally swap the key and token fields, as either mistake can block authentication. When both fields look correct, click Save. n8n will securely store the credential and automatically select it for this Trello node. At this point, your node is authenticated and ready to use. You can continue configuring the node by choosing the exact action you want and pointing it to the right board, list, or card, confident that the connection to Trello is in place. If you ever regenerate your token or rotate credentials for security, return to the same credential, update the value, and save so existing workflows remain uninterrupted. It's a good practice to grant only the minimal access your automations need and to keep credentials managed inside n8n rather than placing secrets in expressions or notes. That's it. You've connected Trello to n8n, saved your credential, and you're ready to build reliable automations that create, move, and manage Trello content with confidence.